Hello. So this video is on a very simple astral training model, a psycho-emotional type of training model. As we've mentioned many times on this channel, what we touch with the mind grows. What we pay attention to grows. And this capacity to be choiceful of what we touch with the mind and to be able to discern what we touch with the mind has great value. So when I was a kid, I remember getting this computer game called Diablo 1, and I was thrilled about this game, very excited. And one thing that my first Tai Chi teacher, Steve Meliers, mentioned to me was, hey, what if instead of obsessing over this game and sitting down for an hour and playing this game, what if you took that same time and sat down and got excited about your life? And I didn't really put too much, value in it. I was 11 or 12 years old. But over time, it's come to have more and more meaning. So as a means of training your mind to pay attention to what brings you excitement and joy in your life, instead of spending time focusing on the things that detract from your joy and excitement and the overall good quality of the life that you're living, you put focus into what brings you joy, what brings you excitement. And by focusing on these things, those things grow. It's very simple. What we touch with the mind, we feed with energy. What we feed with energy, like anything that you throw fuel onto, that fire grows. So there's a lot inside this. As an astral training model, it helps to build a certain type of astral body that is built in a way that's quite conducive to these things growing more and more and being brought into your life as well. So you have to look at anything, any psychological framework, anything we're thinking of, anything we're feeling, as something that we're building in to our psycho-emotional framework, and through that into the physical body. Then through those things, that'll start emanating from a physical standpoint as well, through more of a field type of approach. So we want to pay attention always with great clarity into what are we thinking about, what's happening in our thoughts, what's happening in our feelings. And we just keep exploring that, keep growing it, be choiceful, be mindful, and you just see what happens. So give it a shot, sit down, instead of watching that movie or watching that new episode of the show on Netflix or whatever, try it, sit down and just think about what it is in your life that excites you. All right, hope you enjoyed this. Bye.